Can we do a little perfume school?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's talk Perfumery 101.
So we got a question about how the top, middle, and base notes of a fragrance are defined.
Yes. And so the key is to understand it has nothing to do with the type of note or the flavor of the note. It's not like every flavor is a top, middle, or base. It ends up working out that way. But the defining feature, here's how it's determined, technically speaking. So I've got 3 different ingredients here. Okay. I've got lemon essential oil.
Okay.
I have rose essential oil, and I have cedarwood.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to use these strips, and we're going to just dip them in. This is how these strips are intended to be used. We use them as spray testers, and there's nothing wrong with that, but this is their intended use. Okay, so we dip all 3 of these, like so, and then we hit start on the clock. Okay?
Okay.
So right now, at time 0, these smell very strong. All of them. Tons of lemon, tons of rose, tons of cedar presence. Okay?
Okay.
So let's do a magic trick. 15 minutes has passed.
Okay.
Okay? 15 minutes later, I can barely smell anything. Just the slightest hint of lemon on that. Okay? The rose smells basically the same as when we started. The cedar wood smells basically the same as when we started.
Okay.
Okay? Another 15 minutes has passed.
You really like
30
snapping.
minutes total. I'm a good snapper.
You are a good snapper.
Okay? 30 minutes total. Nothing. I can't smell anything.
Okay.
Okay? This still smells very strong. This still smells very strong. Okay? Now another hour has passed. So we're like 90 minutes in.
Okay.
Okay? Absolutely nothing on this. I can't smell anything. The rose is still there. I can tell it's rose, but it's pretty quiet. It's
Okay.
like 10 or 15% of what it was at the very beginning.
Okay.
Okay? This still smells as strong as when I put it in.
Okay.
Okay? Okay? So you keep moving forward in time. This one disappeared off the strip within 30 minutes. This one disappeared off the strip within about an hour and a half to 2 hours.
Okay.
At 2 hours, this one still smells very strong.
Okay.
Okay? At 4 hours, you can still smell it just fine, but it's a little bit quieter.
Okay.
At 6 hours, you can still smell it. It's a little bit quieter. At 8 hours, you can still smell it. It's a little bit quieter. This is a top note. This is a middle note. This is a base note.
Okay.
Okay. So it has to do strictly with the duration or tenacity of the scent on a strip and how long that lasts. That's the defining feature of top, middle, and base.
Okay.
Now, the one caveat here is that these are pure ingredients. So a lemon note, a rose note, a cedar note, and that's what they are. That's those materials. When you look at the pyramid of a fragrance, those aren't ingredients. Meaning,
Right.
just because it says rose doesn't mean it's pure rose oil. So you can see these kinds of notes move up and down in the pyramid, depending on how they're constructed, right? Like if it's a rose, if it's just a rose essential oil, maybe it's in the mid. There's other ways to make rose that isn't real rose. It's made from aroma chemicals where it actually might disappear more quickly. And so you would see rose that's a top note.
Yes.
So just something to remember.
Okay.